Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ableton Live for matching tempo to open Ableton Live on your computer. Navigate to the Preferences menu. Click on the Link/MIDI tab. Ensure that link is enabled. Find the tempo section in your project. Import your video file by dragging it into the arrangement view. Create a new audio track for your soundtrack. Add your desired audio file to the new track. Align the audio file to the start of the video. Play the video to find where the cuts occur. Locate the first cut in your video. Pause the video at the cut point. Adjust the project tempo to match the cut's rhythm. Use the tempo slider in the upper left corner. Repeat this process for each video cut. Use the metronome to ensure you're on beat. If necessary, create additional audio tracks for sound effects. Fine-tune the timing of each audio element as needed. Export your final project for synchronization to video. Save your Ableton Live session for future editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.